Hello there. This is how to create a channel on YouTube. So first thing you need to do is go to youtube.com and sign into the account that you want to create the channel on. Once you're signed in, you're just going to click on your profile's icon at the top right corner. Then you're going to go into the settings. Once you're in the settings, make sure the account is selected on the left side dock there. Then click on add or manage your channels. Click on create a channel. Then type in your name and your handle is going to be typed in automatically. And then you could also select a picture. This picture could either be from illustrations that are already on YouTube or your Google Photos or from your computer. Let's just go with an illustration for now. I'll just go do this alien, for example. Looks good. I'll just click on done. Then I'll click on create channel. Just give it a moment. And here we go, the channel is created. Then you can customize the channel to your liking. Just click on this button and it will take you to YouTube Studio or YouTube Creator Studio, and you just fill in the information here, the description. You could add links, you could add contact info, whatever you like. So yeah, that is pretty much it when it comes to creating a channel on YouTube. Hope that video is helpful.